Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily reduce faint print after the cartridge replacement on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, select Adjustment and Maintenance and go to Adjust Image Quality. We need to go over to Special Processing. I know there's a lot of clicking, but trust me, it's all worth it. Now here, let's scroll down until we already see faint print. It's basically reduced faint print after replacing the cartridge. And here we can easily enable it. So as you guys can see, when set to on, it takes some time to smoothen the toner after a cartridge is replaced. And if it's okay with you, then click yes. And now those settings will be configured. And also, if you want to disable it, simply go here and click on off. Now, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.